Hello friends, welcome to Spartans GRE. This video is very important for every GRE aspirant. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can get 43 free GRE mock tests, and all these mock tests are very authentic. I have segregated these 43 mock tests into three categories. First one is online based, second application based where you need to install some application. Third one is PDF based. This PDF based, it is actually a paid version, but then we have the PDFs, so you can get it for free. So there are 43 mock tests. So out of these 43, 9 will be your online mocks, 14 are application based, 20 are PDF based, right? So online based mocks, you have out of these 9 mocks, your Power Prep has 2 mocks. I have given the link here, and all these links will be given in the description of this video. And Manhattan you have 1 mock, and Princeton you'll be getting 4 mocks. I'll show you the screenshot as well, but before that you need to follow these steps. It's pretty much easier. Follow these steps and you will get to see this image like this. So once you follow all these things, you will be getting your account. In your account you can see practice tests. These are the 4 tests you will get it, right? So these 4 mocks are very good. It's good to solve these mocks as well. Next, McGraw-Hill's 1 mock test and Kaplan 1 mock test. So here you are getting 9 free complete mock tests, and all these are very standard mocks, right? Now, application based mocks. Application based mocks you have 14 mocks, and 10 are from Kaplan, 2 McGraw-Hill's and 2 Barron's. Now these are the screenshots. So these mocks I have uploaded onto Google Drive, and the link is shared in this group, Spartans GRE Telegram group, and the link is also shared in Spartans GRE WhatsApp group as well. So you can I have given these 2 links in the description of this video. You can go there, and this Spartans GRE group is I can say this is the largest Telegram group as of now on internet. So you have 1567 members, and every time there will be many people online. So this is a perfect group for your preparation. You can join this group and start posting all your doubts. And this is completely no spam group. Spammers are not at all tolerated. They will be removed on the spot. And even this group is having only authentic persons, because people who are really preparing for GRE are only joining this group. So you can safely join this and post your questions here. And once you join this group, if you go to the file section, you can see this Google link. This Google link is posted today itself on December 31st. So once you go here, you can click this link and you can download these applications. And here, this group is the proof for you to say these all applications are not virus, right? These are authentic mock tests. So you can even before trying to download this, you can post in the group or talk to any persons in the group whether these are authentic or not, because many people have downloaded these softwares. You can also ask the people in this group as well. So if you are the link to this group is given in the description of this video. If you couldn't open that way, you can go to Telegram group and type Spartans GRE group, right? So these application based, there are 14 mocks. You download these softwares and try to give the mocks. Now coming to PDF based, these are actually paid mock tests, paid tests. Manhattan there are 6 mocks, Barron's 6 mocks, and McGraw-Hill's 8 mocks. So this is a snapshot. I have these PDFs with me. There are Manhattan, these are Manhattans. There are questions as well as solutions. Barron's 6 tests and McGraw-Hill's 6 tests. But these are purchased, these are paid versions. So I cannot, on my own will, I cannot just randomly distribute on internet. So there are certain restrictions. So the clause here is, so before solving this paid test, one should solve online based and application based. So that itself gives you 23 mocks. So even though you don't give all these 23, my intention is I will be giving these mocks only to a few people who are scoring more than 320 or around 320s in online or application based mocks. So you give those mocks, and then once you are at least once you are done with 7 to 8 mocks out of these online and application based mocks, and if you are consistently getting around 315 to 320, then I'm happy to share you these mocks, these paid versions as well. So in such cases, if you are getting 315 to 320, you message me the snapshots of your score on Telegram. So I will personally share you these PDFs. So that way I can make sure these PDFs are reaching only to required people, because not all are required to give these mocks, because first of all you should give online and application based mocks. So once you are done with those, and if you are getting a good score, then you need to come back to these mocks. Don't unnecessarily waste your time by giving these mocks directly. So next one is very important. How many mocks should one take? Ideally, it will be 10 to 15 mocks to get maximum score. A few people say 1 or 2 mocks, but that's not completely true. Because GRE exam is not so difficult concept wise, but then it's very difficult time wise, or you have to be in that hall for grueling 4 hours. So you have to train yourself to such ambience, right? To such environment. So sitting for an exam for 4 hours is not an easy task. So to make sure you get very comfortable with such time, you should be giving at least 10 to 15 mocks before you go for your real exam. So once you are done with these 15 mocks, then you'll be very confident. First thing is you will get a lot of confidence. Second thing is you'll feel pretty much as a normal day. That the final day, the D-Day, will not be haunting for you. You'll feel that day as normal as the normal days, right? So maintaining the cool is one of the important factors when you give your GRE exam. So if you're giving 10 to 15 marks, then confidently you can take your exam without any strain and without struggling. So that's why these mocks are important. 15 marks. Now, but if you are really strong in your concepts and if you don't want to refer multiple books, that time you can utilize for taking some more mocks. So in that case, you can give as many mocks as possible. That's up to you. But make sure you give these 10 to 15 mocks. Right. Now, the order of taking mocks. As I told you, these 14 mocks are very important. First thing is, the first mock what you have to take is Power Prep, ETS Power Prep first mock. There are 2 mocks. Take the first mock. This is your assessment mock. So this will tell you where exactly you're standing and what is the level of your knowledge and how far you are from your target, and it will tell you your strengths and weakness. So after this, taking this mock, don't just take it in an easy way. Put your 100% effort, and once you're done with the mock, you analyze each and every question where you are going wrong, where you're getting right, your strengths, your strong areas and weak areas. So spend some time in this first mock, which is very important. Then you can figure out how much time exactly you need to prepare for GRE. Now, once you are done with this exam, Power Prep 1, so once you are done with your analysis, then you can have a clear roadmap of your preparation. So that's how you have to start with. So once you are done with this, you will start preparing for your exam. You will start preparing your mocks or books, anything. Then your second mock should be Princeton 4 marks. I have showed you the snapshot of these 4 marks, right? So give those 4 marks, and once you are done with this, then come back to application based mocks. Give this in Kaplan. There are 10 mocks. You can give only 3 mocks randomly. You choose any of the mocks you wish. So once you are done with this, go for McGraw-Hill's 1 mock, and then Barron's you do only first mock. So once you are done with this, then come back to application based again, do the Barron's second mock, then finally your last mock should be your Power Prep second mock, right? So these are the order of taking mocks. Now taking mocks alone is not enough. So what exactly you need more? What you need more is this one, revisit and revision, right? So once you are done with your mocks, each and every mock you have to revisit your mocks and make sure you understand where exactly you are going. Try to learn from your mistakes, okay? Maintain separate notebook and keep track of your mistakes. Also, when you are analyzing your mocks, then you have to focus on this area. You have to know exactly which chapters you are getting right and which chapters you are getting wrong. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? So all these things you will be in a position to judge from your mocks. So that's why mocks plays a crucial role in any GRE aspirant's preparation. Now, regular revision is the key to success. So keep on doing new books, keep on doing new problems is not the right way of preparation. Right way of preparation will be focus on less number of books and do those books multiple times. That is called revision. So here also, instead of doing all these 43 mocks, as I told you, first focus on these 14 mocks alone. Learn your mistakes from these 14 mocks alone. Try to revisit these mocks again and again. Similarly, you take any standard book for your GRE preparation, do the same book one or more than one time. So at least do that same book for 2 times. That will give you perfection. So instead of going on to multiple books in a fixed time frame, you revisit the same book one more time. That way you will become perfect in your concepts as well. I'll make a separate video on that anyway. How to prepare for your GRE. I'll make a separate video. Let's restrict this video only to mock tests. Now regular revision. This revision you have to done. This revision I'm talking about mocks. Revisit your already taken mocks and learn from your mistakes. Now one more thing is retake the same mock. You need not take all the 14 mocks again. Out of these 14, maybe you might be performing poor in 3 or 4 mocks. Just retake these mocks again. No mistake in that, right? So make sure next time you won't make the same mistakes again. So don't think retaking the exam is waste of time. Don't retake the mock which you got more score. Retake the mock which you felt very difficult. Initially you might feel little bit discomfort while retaking the mock where you scored less. But trust me, it will help you a lot, right? Now, the best solutions to the mock. So you will be solving the mocks from your side, and from my side, I will give you help and support through my YouTube channel. What I'm planning to do is, I'll be uploading videos of all these mocks. So I will show you how exactly you have to solve those questions in given time. I'll show you the best time saving techniques, and I will also explain the concepts there. Solving question and getting the right answer alone is not sufficient. What exactly you need is, in GRE, you have to solve the question in the shortest way and in the shortest time. So aim for solving the question in less than a minute so that you will be left with a lot more time, so you can revisit all your questions even 2 times, right? So I will show you all these techniques. I will be solving the questions in the least possible time, right? So I'll be posting those videos in Spartans GRE YouTube channel. You can go to this channel, and there are already many lectures on quantitative part. I have maintained separate playlists. You can watch those videos. And these videos will be very helpful for building up your concepts. So watch these videos, right? Next, we'll be providing you complete 360 degrees support. So what exactly is 360 degree support? First of all, materials required for GRE. So there are zillions of material available on markets or internet, right? But you need to pick up the right ones. So the materials required for GRE are already uploaded in this Spartans GRE Telegram group and Spartans GRE WhatsApp group as well, and GRE group by Spartans. This is the name of our Spartans GRE group in Facebook. So in all these 3 groups, these materials are already there. Doubts clearing platform. There are separate Telegram groups for GRE and TOEFL as well. This Spartans GRE Telegram group is having currently 1500 plus genuine aspirants. So whenever you post your questions or your queries, definitely you'll be getting back answers. Even after 2 days, if you are not getting a reply, then I myself will post the solution to your question. Next, general discussions. These groups will be very much useful for your general discussions as well. All your fears, all your concerns, you can happily share with your co-aspirants. They will for sure help you, and you benefit other aspirants and get benefited, right? Now, for conceptual help, for conceptual clarity on subject, I am making separate videos on Quant, Verbal and AVA in Spartans GRE YouTube channel. So this will be very much useful for your preparation. I have already uploaded videos on geometry and all other chapters. So today I will be uploading even on statistics part. So these are conceptual videos. Watch them. You'll love it. I hope you understood the importance of giving mock tests for GRE. So please pay special attention and give some time for your mocks. Finally, Spartans GRE wishes good luck to all the Spartans. Be an achiever. Happy New Year, friends. Thank you all for your support.